Hi everyone, my name is Erica Gonzalez.
Hey, welcome to another video. And in this video, we're going to be walking through how you can set up your automatic commissions in your business. And so the first thing is I actually went into the app drawer and I selected setup. So we'll have that populate again. And here we go. So step one, let's go into store configuration and let's select our store settings. We will see within the staff commission section that there is a new toggle, apply automatic commissions for products and purchase options. You want to make sure that this is toggled on and remembering to select save. Step two, you want to see or ensure that you have the appointed staff members to have commissions as part of their pay rate. And that's totally up to you. So you can select one, you can select some. It's dependent on your business model, of course. We're going to select Erica, her staff profile, and let's select pay rates. Here are her multiple pay rates that I have decided to select for her as part of my business, and she does have a commission rate. Following the columns here, I can see the details, rate, type. If I go into the action column, select edit, I can see further details here. I want to ensure that this is set as a default rate, toggle that on, and it is set as a default commission rate. This is important because if Erica were to have multiple commission rates, you just want to select which one would be the default one. And so we're going to select save. Great, step three. So now we want to be able to actually have that staff member affiliated with either the purchase option or the product for that automatic commission. In my example, I'm going to select a product. So let's head on over to products within our store configuration. And I'm going to select a black mat. I want Erica to receive automatic commissions for every time there's a sale for this black mat that she makes. So scrolling down within the setup of the product, let's not go too fast, I will see there's a new section called automatic staff commissions. So you are going to select the staff member who will receive automatic commissions for this product. So by default, all the staff members are unselected. So you want to go ahead and select the staff members. I already went ahead and selected Erica. So let's deselect that. We will see it grays out. Select it, and we will see that the only commission appears is the one that's affiliated to her name. We can see in another example with Katie that she has two commission rates. So we see that the default one was selected. But if we wanted the membership commission, we can select that, but this is a product, so we're going to have the product. I'm remembering when you select everything to select save. So now that we have everything set up, Erica actually has a client by the name of Oliver, and he wants to purchase the black mat. So we're going to go into the store from the staff backend, and here's Oliver. I already have set that up. And he wants to purchase the black mat. So let's go to our store category of products, and we can see the black mat right over here. We're going to go ahead and buy that. And then if we select show commission settings, we see here the drop down menu, and we see Erica's name has already been automatically selected, which is great. And so now when you have followed all those steps, you can see the automatic commissions apply upon the store checkout, saving time, which is great. Hopefully this video is very helpful, and we will definitely see you in the next one.